back to the Dashcam Dasher for another exciting video. There is an old saying which says, take one step at a time, which means in life you should make a step-by-step approach rather than jumping over steps. But here in my life, I have jumped over quite a few steps and straight away upgraded from my Ninja 300 to a ZX10R. So there's a huge upgrade considering both the motorcycles involved. So what does the motorcycling community generally say? The 300cc motorcycles, including the Kawasaki Ninja 300, KTM RC 390 and the Yamaha R3 are considered as beginner motorcycles. So if you want to upgrade, first it is better to upgrade to a 600cc super sport motorcycle. These motorcycles are those which usually generate 120 plus bhp of power. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R, the Yamaha R6 and the Honda CBR 600R are some of the most famous motorcycles in this segment. So a step-by-step approach is recommended. First you start at a beginner motorcycle, then you upgrade yourself to a super sport 600cc motorcycle, and then finally you are supposed to upgrade to a little class motorcycle. But here I have skipped the 600cc segment and directly upgraded myself from a beginner motorcycle to a little class super sport motorcycle. So today I will let you know how it does feel to upgrade directly from a 300cc motorcycle to a super sport motorcycle. Before going into the video, I will also let you know the reason why I skipped the 600cc segment and directly upgraded to the ZX10R. There are two reasons. First, the cost of super sport motorcycle in India is very high due to the high import duties. So had I purchased a 600cc motorcycle, it would have set me back by another 5 or 6 years before upgrading myself to this motorcycle. Also, luckily I had the chance to test ride a 2019 Yamaha R1 and a Suzuki Hayabusa from a couple of my friends. After riding those motorcycles, I had the confidence that I could handle the power of a little class motorcycle. So getting into the video, how does it feel to ride both the motorcycles back to back? It is like watching a movie in slow motion and then watching the same movie in fast forward mode. To put it into perspective, I have upgraded to a motorcycle which is more than 5 times more powerful than the one I am having now. Let us put it this way. This Ninja 300 here has a 6-speed gearbox. So at gear 5 at red line, it reaches a maximum speed of 163 km per hour. This ZX10R here reaches in a maximum speed of 167 km per hour in its first gear itself. So gear 1 here is faster than the gear 5 there. So the Ninja ZX10R can easily outrun the Ninja 300 in its second gear itself. That is the stark difference in power between both of these motorcycles. So far, I was used only to the 39 bhp this motorcycle here produced. Here you can easily redline the motorcycle and push it to the limits. Though the Ninja 300 is a bit heavy for its segment, but it is very nimble. Suddenly, when you are forced to face the 213 bhp this motorcycle produced, it's a bit too much. Even my car generates just 122 bhp. So, if you are upgrading from a beginner motorcycle to a super sport little class motorcycle, be ready to face the sudden surge in the power. The next thing which I noticed is the riding position of both the motorcycles. The Ninja 300 is a sports tourer and the ZX10R is a classic super sport motorcycle. Here the riding position is somewhat upright and the foot peg is placed in such a way that it doesn't bend your leg too much. It's a complete opposite in the ZX10R. The forward leaning riding position looks a lot sportier, but it causes a pain in your back and ankles over long rides. The rear set foot peg also makes you bend your leg a lot and it causes pain in your knees. Though the seat of the ZX10R is a lot comfortable when compared to the 300, but the riding position negates all the comforts offered by its seat. One more place where you will feel you are in stranger waters is the handling of both the motorcycles. The ZX10R feels a lot heavy. You can feel the weight in slow moving traffic, and taking a U-turn is not as easy as it seems. A small mistake and you can put the motorcycle easily down. So better be careful with the weight of this motorcycle. So also coming into the maintenance part, the ZX is a lot more costlier to maintain than the Ninja 300. The chain and sprocket of this motorcycle costs a lot and needs replacement more frequently. Also, the ZX returns a mileage of just around 16 to 17 km per liter, whereas the Ninja 300 easily returns a mileage of 30 km per liter. Finally, we have to mention about the attention this motorcycle turns on the road. Even the Ninja 300 turns a lot of head on our roads, and the ZX10R turns a lot more. You can see a lot of eyes looking at you and your motorcycle when you are stuck at traffic or on signals. So these are the initial things which I felt a lot more different when I upgraded from the Ninja 300 to ZX10R. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.